Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this attack effect in UE5 Niagara and I will create it from scratch. This will be a long video, maybe 1 hour. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. And so let's create a folder first. Attack effect. And in there I will create one more folder, anim. And here in Mixamo.com, I found this character and this animation, this jump animation. So you can just search here attack and you will find this fourth animation. And you'll see that this character is changing the location. It is standing there, then jumping over there. And I just wanted to jump in here where he's standing. And usually in this site, if you have a running animation, you can do that running in a place by just taking one option here. Not this one, here one more option. But because this is jumping ahead, you cannot do that here. So I'll do that in Unreal Engine. So I have already downloaded it, and now in here I will import that from my download folder. Actually, I didn't take the create material, so it just imported texture, not material. So I'll just create a material. M 10, and it had just two textures. So sorry, and then I'll open this and I'll choose that material. This one. Yeah. So we have this animation. Okay. And you can also do that here. That location thing you can key here, but I will do that in sequencer. So I will create a new map actually. Let it save. I will create a new level. It's basic and save this attack effects in this folder map. Okay, and here I will right click and go to animation and take a level sequencer, and you can drag it here and you can use autoplay. Okay. So I will open this and then I'll drag this animation here, and you need to choose the animation.